we set out to design a new road bike for women. The goal was clear: combine the many facets of modern competition road bikes into one machine that has it all and does it all.
Supreme is the lightest, stiffest, most aerodynamic women's road bike on the planet.
Building on the success of our current frames, our engineers went radical.
Aerodynamics, that was our #1 goal.
Using three-dimensional design, we incorporated the best of wind cheating technology, the Kamm Foil, with a truncated tail that slices through the wind at all angles more effectively than a regular airfoil.
So they actually cropped the taper on the trailing edge of the bicycle because in a crosswind, that means less surface area, which is less resistance or less air pushing your bike around.
The key aerodynamic features of the Supreme are centered around the camtail tube design. We contoured the head tube to smoothly transition into the down tube. It is flared here for head tube stiffness, and we continue the profile down the down tube, and then it flares also down at the bottom bracket shell for excellent stiffness. We tuck the wheel into a cam tube shape also for the seat tube, and then also the seat stays attached to the extension of the seat tube here, and they have an aerodynamic profile. Another key aerodynamic feature is how we contoured the fork into the down tube so it disappears from the wind. It has injection molded cable stops that pop in and out if you're converting the frame from wireless to a mechanically shifted frame. Integrated seat clamp that is invisible to the wind. You know, squeezing every last second you can out of the bike by shaping the design to basically cheat the wind.
With computational fluid dynamics testing, comparing bikes at the same size and based on a 125-pound rider traveling at 25 miles an hour over 40 kilometers, the new Supreme saves an eye-opening 1 minute and 19 seconds over the Transonic.
So a lot of times as a sprinter, we just talk about the last kilometer, the 500 meters. But in order to get to that point where you can sprint, you need to be there. But when you have a bike that has the energy savings of aerodynamics, where you can just save that little bit, you can feather your effort a little bit more, then you can last. You can hang on to that wheel, you can make it to the end, and then cutting through the wind in the final sprint, whatever direction the wind is coming from, I feel like I have that extra edge.
The Supreme has the aerodynamics to be fast and win races.
From the wind tunnel, we took the next step, the carbon design.
We had aggressive targets in designing the Supreme. Sub 900 grams while maintaining stiffness that does not compromise ride quality.
Over nearly 6 months, Fuji's carbon builders produced 12 different prototypes with 12 different carbon layups, employing the newest method of high compaction molding, internal forms to compress the carbon layers for strength and weight reduction, and to eliminate wrinkles and resin buildup in complex and high-stress areas.
Yeah, that thing does not flex at all. When I'm sprinting on it, there's no power I'm giving away. Like, it just goes straight to the wheels.
Which means they're putting out less effort to go the same speed or the same amount of effort to go faster.
Disc brakes are the future of road bikes, and the Supreme was designed around disc brakes because they have excellent modulation and power in all braking situations. We chose to use a 12mm through axle system, and the reason being is it's stiffer, so when you're out of the saddle climbing or sprinting, you're not going to get any rotor rub. The Supreme was specifically designed to have a progressive stack and reach so that you have a consistent fit across all sizes.
When things are full gas, everyone is going 100%. All the little savings you can do, it all helps to have the explosiveness that you need at the finish or to be there at the end.
Unrivaled history, groundbreaking design, race-winning results. It's the fastest Fuji ever. The all-new Fuji Supreme.